Ka sorkar jela ha ka siningkong kala kentai ban penjeri biang da ka lockdown ha ka jela wala ka jingkiyo ki boyo yuk nyang jingpang covid kala kiu state ba ha ka jela. Ha ba keren ba kilap thai kubor sumbut mitrang ba ka jela ba persten tensong uloong ba ka lockdown ne ka jingkang dam kam dei satia ka juba ban te la kam ye ka jingnang bun ki brio ki boyo yau tu virus. Hanrei ulo kentu pat ik pai ba nang song snong ba ki dei banya da dalade yalade na batang ka sorkar kanomla satia ban yakun. Kumun chukudo hangne ka jela tang hakini ki arsngi kala saki ba ki dan hadu pa sau pulai ngut kiboyo yau te kunyang jingpang bat kumba siphongut ye ki de ki doctor ki badan menta bani khun persa yau te virus.
See, the question of lockdown does not arise. As I said, I keep saying this. From the government side, what we are requesting people is, please take care yourself individually. Because the fight of coronavirus is not through the government alone, but you have to fight individually. If you want to be safe, you need to also play safe and stay safe. I think that is the best medicine for every one of us. The spike is still alarming, as I said to you, very discouraging. So I would request all the citizens of the state to kindly take care of themselves individually, including all the press people. You have to take care of yourself. Don't be so close to each other. In fact, still contact tracing is being done. We are handling the situation well, but the only problem, as I said to you, if those high-risk contact, where we call it high-risk contact, sometimes what happens the moment we identify, we ask them, you please come for testing, this, that, and then after that you isolate yourself, because right now the best medicine is you need to isolate in your respective houses, because that is very important to every citizen of the state. Because see, if you isolate yourself like in corona care centers or in quarantine centers, it will ultimately affect your mindset also. See, mentally you get disturbed when you're staying alone, all alone in a small room. It's just like a jail. So therefore, the protocol from the Ministry of Health says that we encourage home quarantine. We encourage people to stay at home, but stay yourself isolated. That is important. And now, see, the ICMR has already changed even the protocols. Protocols now is only 10 days. And once you completed 10 days means the virus is dying by itself. Yeah, both high risk and even the positive cases. The ICMR has encouraged people to stay at home. Okay, both positive and high risk. We will again sit down with the respective Rangbasional. We have already asked all the respective deputy commissioners to be in touch with the Sanjuki non-sensational and talk with them. You need to discuss with them and then hear your views. And then we consider their views too. Because see, ultimately we have to go for the best option. Which is the best option? Government, along with the stakeholders, we are together.
Hakani kaju kasingiu sumbut midrang ba ulo ongru basyan ka kenhun menteri kan sasyong banyak kran nak bentak election Hakro Hills at District Council.
See, we will again have a cabinet very soon. And CM right now he's on tour to Garo Hills. He'll be back maybe after 3 days. Then the cabinet will be held. And then I'll come back to you. What is the decision taken by the government? So as I said to you, but cabinet has to decide, has to sit down immediately. Whatever decision to be taken by the cabinet, then we will send it to the governor. Then governor has to ultimately give his approval or his consent. Then accordingly we will communicate to this council. We are still working out, as I said to you. So hopefully, as I said to you, within maybe next few days, we will have the cabinet, and then we'll take a final call on the election of Garo Hills Autonomous District.